Hey everybody, today's short and several others are going to be about what I keep as far as a med kit in my backpack. I know we're very limited for space, so the items I keep in there are what I call the best bang for your buck. And first things first is make sure you have some ice packs in there. Last week I got overheated, so these came in really handy. I was able to put them on the back of my neck. You can put them in the armpits or on top of the head to help someone cool down. Make sure you get that helmet off them right away so they can start cooling down. You lose a lot of heat from the top of your head. This way, you can get them in good enough shape so you can drive back and get back to the truck and get them some medical help. So stay tuned for some more ideas of what's in my med kit.